Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random IMEI number of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so let's begin. We are on the IMEI info page. You can see the link in here. Now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm explaining how to do it, but below you also have a quick instruction how you can find your IMEI number. Once you have typed it, click on Check IMEI. As you can see, our Galaxy Tab appeared on the screen. Now we need to scroll down a little until we find the basic checks. Here they are. They're completely for free, so don't worry. Now we need to simply click on Random IMEI Generator. Click on this blue button. And in here we have completely random 10 IMEI numbers. We can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon which is next to each number, but also we can copy all of them at the same time when you click on Copy All IMEIs. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.